GST notice? Don't panic. Resolve it with Filings Corner. Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. Received a GST notice? It might seem stressful, but with the right help, it can be handled quickly and correctly. A GST notice is an official communication from tax authorities, usually issued when there's a compliance issue, a discrepancy, or a need for more information. And ignoring it can lead to penalties, audits, or even cancellation of your GST registration. At Filings Corner, we help you analyze, respond to, and resolve GST notices efficiently, ensuring your business stays compliant and protected. Types of GST notices you might receive. Let's quickly walk through the most common GST notices. Non-filing of returns notice. If you've missed filing GSTR1, GSTR3B, or GSTR9, the department may issue a notice. Ignoring it could lead to penalties or cancellation of registration. Show cause notice, SCN. This is serious. Issued if authorities suspect tax evasion, wrong filing, or violations. You must justify your actions to avoid further action. Demand notice, Section 73 and 74. Sent when there's underpayment or non-payment of GST. Section 73 deals with non-intentional mistakes. Section 74 applies to willful evasion. GST audit notice. If your business is selected for an audit, the department will request a full verification of your financial records and filings. Penalty notice. Sent for mismatches, errors, or misuse of input tax credit, ITC. Failing to reply can escalate the issue. Inspection or search notice. Issued when fraud is suspected and authorities need to physically verify premises or records. GST summons. A legal notice requiring you to appear before tax officials to explain discrepancies or submit specific documents. What happens if you ignore a GST notice? It's important to act fast because the consequences can be severe. Higher penalties and interest. GST registration cancellation. Legal action or prosecution. Increased audit scrutiny. Blocked input tax credit or refunds. Don't let a simple notice turn into a major problem. Documents you may need to respond. To prepare an effective response, you'll typically need filed GST returns, GSTR1, GSTR3B, GSTR9, purchase and sales invoices, bank statements and payment records, ITC documents and ledgers, proof of tax payments, contracts, or agreements. Our team helps you collect, verify, and organize all supporting documents so your response is strong and well-structured. How Filings Corner helps you resolve GST notices. Here's what we do for you. Expert review and analysis. Understand why you received the notice and what it means. Accurate and legally sound response drafting. We ensure your reply is timely, compliant, and clear representation before tax authorities. We speak for you in case of audits, hearings, or appeals. Penalty reduction support. We explore possible legal grounds to reduce penalties and interest ongoing compliance support. So this doesn't happen again. Affordable and hassle-free GST solutions. At Filings Corner, we offer cost-effective packages to help you. Respond to GST notices, prepare supporting documents, avoid future issues with preventive compliance. Whether you're a startup, MSME, or enterprise, we've got a plan for you. Don't delay. Let Filings Corner handle your GST notice today. GST notices can be intimidating, but they don't have to be. Let our experts handle it professionally while you focus on running your business. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started. Filings Corner, GST compliance, sorted.